Fixing payment method verification required in the App Store is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. The main reason for this is that your payment methods have expired on your device. It could be due to a subscription or trial where Apple tried to charge you, and now they've noticed that your payment method isn't working anymore. To resolve the issue, you need to update your payment method. If you have a subscription you no longer want, you need to cancel it before updating your payment method to avoid potential charges. So, simply open up your App Store. After that, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Next, tap on the Purchased option. And here, you need to manage subscriptions. Next, to update your payment method, go to your settings. Tap on your profile. After that, tap on the Payment and Shipping option. Here, you need to add a new payment method that you want to use. Once you've added a new payment method, the verification message will stop appearing.